What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Yes, you guys, we are in Dollar Tree where everything is still just $1 until the prices go up. Have you guys seen any prices go up in your store? Me personally, I haven't yet. So I'm gonna shop now and do all the shopping I can before the prices go up. Anyways, you guys, I'm over here in the beautiful Christmas decor section. Yes, you guys, I brought you to a brand new store this week under new management. I just met the manager and was very warmly welcomed to film in his store. Thank you very much for welcoming me. I really appreciate it. And oh my gosh, look at these, you guys. These are cookie carriers. Cookie carriers. We have the light blue, and then we have the Christmas with my Nomies green. So cute. You guys, of course, we have tons of yard stakes and tinsel decor. We have, in my last video, I showed tons of bags, bags and tags and boxes. There is just so much to look at, you guys. We have like cookie tins. We have 4 packs of gift boxes. I know I did miss a couple of these items. There's just really a lot to look at. So come in, take your time, and enjoy looking at everything. If you guys caught me last week, we looked at some of the miniatures. I picked up some of these for our Christmas village. The little cobblestone corner winter village miniatures. They're super cute. This is new this year. Happy holidays. And then we just have tons of wall decor, really cute stuff. Tinsel decor. Look at these, you guys. These are really cute. Fresh cut trees. We have snow. We have baking spirits bright. We have really cute Christmas Tupperware for holding cookies and desserts and treats and stuff. The merriest season. You guys definitely check out my last video. I showed new glassware, new plates. We even have some brand new drying racks, and you guys know I love to use those as placemats. These are all new as well. The pot holders, the oven mitts. Let's go down this aisle. These are just so cute. Gnome for the holidays. Super cute little gnomes. We have the Santa buckets. And Christmas candy, you guys. The Halloween candy is gone. Look in the sales cart by the weekly wow table if you want to get some clearance Halloween candy. But the Christmas candy is now here. We have the ever so famous granny candies, the strawberries. We have the big jumbo peppermint sticks, the super cute candy cane spoons, 6 in a pack. Andy's mints, the cherry jubilee thins. Those look kind of new. Ring pops. We have all of our flavored candy canes. We have a drizzle popcorn in the flavor peppermint crunch. A sour holiday mix by Warheads. And over here, what do we have? More little cookie containers, serving trays. Super cute. Oh, these are nice. We have stickers, little gingerbread plushies, the little photo prop kits. Okay, so we also have Believe in the Magic of Christmas. I showed this one and this one in my last video. Cheers and Christmas with my Nomies. Little cookie carriers with a handle. Oh my gosh, look at these. Gnome for the holidays. We have a little red truck. candy canes. I love this. I love that they have little buffalo check signs. It says cut your own trees. The red truck, the stars, really nice. We have some glittered drape tissue for decorating and scenes. We have even more trays, and these are heavy. This one's so cute, isn't it? Joy. We have a jumbo reindeer eraser. We have stickers, pencil toppers, pencils, more of the tumblers. Super cute gnome for the holidays. Kind of obsessed with the gnomes. Ooh, and look at these. Aren't these cute? Again, Christmas with the gnomies. We have poinsettias, snowflakes, gingerbread, candies and cookies. We have the cute stackables. Oh, look at this one. I'm just so in love with the gnomes. The gnomes are just so cute. Look at that. Look at their cute little faces. And then up top we have Christmas cards. We have the holiday mug sets, including a gnome for the holiday one. We have Santa's belt. We have a cardinal. We have candy canes, snow penguins, snowy penguins, poinsettias, Santa. Ooh, we have some brand new silicone molds, Christmas bells, cute penguins, love those. Candy. Ooh, the penguins are so cute, aren't they? I might have to get the penguins. They're really adorable. I think I want to get the penguins. They're so, so cute. Look at them. Aw, so cute. Ooh, look at these. These are nice. Nice cookie holders. Joy to the world. Joy toys, stockings. Then we have snowflakes. Even more over here, you guys. Oh, I love how they displayed this. I really love this one. I love that. Oh, and we have little 2-packs here. Pretty ornament filler. All the decorative mesh. Merry and Peace. All the DIY craft items over here. We have bells and ribbon. So many things, you guys. We're going to continue the fun and the Christmas happiness in the very next video. We have stockings to look at. We're going to skim through the ornaments. We have new wax melt stuff over there and even more. You guys definitely join me in the very next video. We have a lot more Christmas stuff to look at. I can't wait to share it all with you. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these tree skirts. One last thing before we go. These are brand new this year. Aww, these are so cute. These are the little 18-inch tree skirts and they're really soft. Has the little double directional sequins. You guys remember when that trend came out a few years ago? Maybe it's been a little longer. Anyways, these are super cute. All right, you guys, well, I'm out of here. Join me in my next video. I have a lot more to share. Bye, guys.